everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve question paper of our previous batch, that is December 2022 and of chemistry 135. Well, this question paper is not updated on the website yet, but you can find it on the YouTube channel and you can find it on my YouTube channel too. So without any further wasting time, let's get started. But before that, I want to give you a tip that ignou has the tendency to fail the student in much number and quantity, so be smart while writing your answer and stay tuned. I will also suggest you that how to write limited, conscious, precise, and how to write smart. So our first question was, state Nernst distribution law, give its any three applications. So as we can see, three applications. So the mark distribution will be like कि 2 marks का नर्स distribution law and rest of the 3 marks based upon these 3 application. So while writing answer, it should be considered in mind. So here I have written down the distribution law and what were the derivative, like how we can write that in short form, and after that the 3 applications of the distribution law. So you can see here. Now next question was, which one of the following is correct? So basically correct. It was based on Rawls law, ideal and non-ideal solutions. So this is given in somewhere table number 1.4. So I have also given the reference. You can find that here. So the answer was A. You can see the question if you don't have. Now coming back to next question, give the expressions for Clapeyron equation for vaporization. Well, this question is also repeated. This was also given in June 2022 question paper, so it is important. I will also mark this question in my important list. So here is the answer, the equation. Then the third question, this was based on phase diagram, so you can do it yourself. If not, you can ask me in the comment section. Now, which one of the following solution is an example of nearly ideal solution? So this was also from their ideal solution. You can write any of the solution like benzene and toluene. This was also given in the table. Now the next question was question number 4, a solution of benzene and toluene. Which of the following is example? Okay, so these were the options, and we have to find out from there. So the answer was benzene and toluene. Next was B part, define molar conductivity and explain the concentration. So here the marks distribution was also given 2 plus 2. So 2 marks for molar conductivity and 2 marks for the dependence of molar conductivity for strong electrolyte. So here is the definition of molar conductivity, and after that what is its dependence for a strong electrolyte. So here is the solution. Now the next question was 5, define normality. So this is the question which repeats, like sometimes they give molarity, sometimes molality. So this time normality was given first time. So this is question must to do. So 1 mark question, so you can simply write the definition. The number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 gram liter of solution. Now the B part was the molar conductivity. This was basically a numerical and it was exactly given in the book. So here I have also given the reference, example number 6.4. So you can check out there, or the solution is here. So now the next question was 6th, give 3 functions of salt base in a galvanic cell. So the answer is here, 3 function of salt base. Totally the questions were from book, nothing anywhere from nothing else, but this time they did not mark the question directly from back questions, they just framed from anywhere. Now second one was for write the balanced cell reaction. So this also come every time, this question, that to write down the balanced reaction or half cell reaction. So you must do this question also. So the balance reaction was that we have to write at anode reaction, then cathode, and the overall cell reaction. Now seventh question. This was also a repeated question from previous one. What is Bunsen coefficient? First, previously it was given in fill up or true false, I guess. Now they directly ask what is Bunsen coefficient. So here is the definition for 1 mark. Now they also asked give the sign and the nature of process occurring on cathode in an electrolytic cell. So the process is called electrolysis and the cathode is negative. So nature was. The third was outline the requirement for concentration cell without transference. So this was also given in book. Here is the answer, you can see. Now B part. So you have to write, if you know that you have to write both the answers in a separate answer sheet, and passing in both the section is necessary, like you have to pass separately in part A and part B. So this was all basically organic part. So discuss the mechanism of Hall-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. Here is the mechanism. I will also upload a important question video like before based on the 3 of the question paper. Now the next question was 9th. What is trans-esterification? Give a reaction to illustrate it. It was also available in the book. I have marked the answers also. Third one was what is hydrogenolysis? Now be part of the 9th. Give an example of this reaction. So here is the answer. You can see it was given on the page number 122. So you can cross check from there. Now the C part, I guess. I forget to, yeah, this is here. What are galactans? So this was 1 mark question. So homopolysaccharides of galactose are known as galactans. I guess this is enough to write. Now the 10th part was discuss Gabriel synthesis and what is the advantage and limitation of this synthesis. So this mark distribution will be basically 2 plus 3. So 2 marks for Gabriel synthesis, and the next part was advantage. You can see 3, you can also divide it like 3 marks for Gabriel synthesis. So it is here. Now separately you have to write limitations and advantage. So these are the limitations and advantage of this. And second part was 11th. What products are obtained when benzene react with Br2 or FeBr3? So here is the solution. It was given on page number 93, block 3. So you can find out from there. Similarly, second part, how can you prepare 1,3,5 bromobenzene, tribromobenzene basically. So here is the solution. Now the question was name the enzyme which hydrolyzes cellobiose. So the answer is emulsin enzyme. It hydrolyzes cellobiose. 12th question was this. We have to discuss the N protection of amino acid basically with BOC and CBZ group, and D protection also. So it is also 50-50 marking question. So here is the N protection, and I have also write the admin degradation. So the N protection, sorry, it is 13 answer. I have written that elsewhere. What is admin degradation? So this is the admin degradation. Now next, the B part was discuss the monosaccharide unit present in lactose. So this was the question, and here is the answer. Glucose plus D-galactose gives lactose. If you will write down the enzyme, then it will put you into an extra age, and if you will write down this in this form, so it will look presentive. Now 14th question was, that was last question, write down the structure of D-glucose and mannose, and also we have to differentiate with the phenyl osazone formed. So wait, these were the actual structure basically, deep glucose, and this was phenyl osazone, and we found that the structure was also, a question was asked, justify, is the phenyl osazone formed same or different? Justify your answer. So here are the both structures, mannose and mannose, also phenyl osazone. So here we have also justified like yes, these are the same for both the structures, and also provided the reason. Now, the B part was why humans cannot use cellulose as food. So here is the reason: because we don't have any such enzymes so that we can find. Now, the 12th question was protection and deprotection. So here is the protection of amino acid and deprotection by treatment within mild contraction. So basically there are various ways for protection and deprotection. I have chosen the smallest one. So this was the trick how to write your answers to get more of your answers, like they should be precise. And if they have asked what is advantage and limitation, so you have to write separately, don't write it in the paragraph forms. So that's it. Hope it will help you. Thank you.